Hello everybody, and welcome to the second video from the Audacious Northwest coding experience. When we left, we had created a website, and when you load the website, a dialog pops up and you can enter your name, and then a dialog appears that welcomes you to that website. The only problem with this is that as soon as you go to a website, this is going to execute, and we might not want to have that happen. We might want to have the execution happen conditionally. In order to make that happen conditionally, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a button here, and we'll give our button an ID. We really don't need to at this point, but we will go ahead and we'll just say welcome. And then we're going to specify what happens when you click the button. So we will specify an attribute. It's called onClick, and at this point we're going to write the name of a function, and we'll explain what that is in a moment. And then we will provide some text. Now, Thimble is trying to help me, so as soon as I change, and as soon as Thimble has detected that I've changed anything here, it tries to reload the page, which means it runs the script. It's not really great. It's sort of confusing. I'm going to go here and unclick auto, so that will stop that from happening. And here I'm going to specify the text that I want to appear along with the button, and I'll simply say click me. All right, so now we have a button and it says click me. When I click on it, I get an error message because I haven't yet written this function. So let's wander over to our JavaScript. Here's the code that we were executing before, and because of the way in which it's written, it executes automatically as soon as the script.js file gets loaded. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to create a function. So we are going to write the word function. That's a keyword. We're going to give a name to our function. We're going to call it say hello, an empty set of parentheses, and a set of curly brackets. One curly bracket to mark the beginning, and one to mark the end of the function. And we'll indent it a little bit because it looks nicer like that. So a function is a named set of statements, and it's a structure that allows a programmer to bundle multiple statements together. And in order to make all of these statements together, you simply have to invoke or execute the say hello function. And because of how our button has been created here, when we click on the button, say hello is going to happen. So I'm going to turn auto back on. And even though I've just refreshed and reloaded the page several times, nothing has happened. But when I click on Click Me, behold, our dialog and alert appear. So there we have it. We have learned how to create a function. That's it for this, our second video.